Quick video on how to tear down a faucet. I believe this is a Moen. I just replaced it because it's leaking. And I figured, you know what, let's tear it down. There is a set screw here, which was an Allen, or you can use a Torx bit. Take that off. And then it leaves you to this piece, which unscrews very easily. And then there's a plastic piece that just actually popped off. I tried unscrewing it. There's the ball. And I believe when you replace them, you get those pieces. And then there's two little washers down there. Pop the two washers off, and it looks like you should be good to go. It's pretty simple. So I would figure I'd just shoot a video. I'm like, oh crap, how do I do this? And this thing is old as dirt. So that is basically it. I'm stripping it down for the copper. That's about it. I wanted to see how it worked. So I think in a matter of a couple minutes you could have it all done. Rebuilding the faucet. What I did is, of course, there were set screws under screws I had to take out of here. Took all three screws out. And I just took lineman's pliers, that's all I had at the moment. Hammered this down. Right through there, didn't do any damage on the threads. And this popped out. So there's two, I don't believe you're going to change this. There's two O-rings here, which help seal it, so that would help keep leaks. But the main thing I would believe, this one you'd have to hold it in just the right position to keep the leaks from happening. This looks like it actually might be bent. I doubt that's on purpose. And here the ball, and I guess like a socket basically you caught. And then this piece comes out. And that's where you can replace it. In this case we're just scrapping this, so this is all copper.